Welcome to this Python tutorial. In today's session, we will explore three powerful tools in Python: list, tuples, and sets. We will cover how they are different, how to create and use them, and when to choose each one. Let's dive in. What is a list? A list is used when you want to store multiple values in a single variable. Think of it as a flexible container that can hold numbers, text, or even other lists. We created a list with 4 values. The square brackets define the list, and each value is separated by a comma. Now run this. Ctrl plus S, Shift plus F10. This is our output. Lists are mutable, which means we can change, update, or remove items after creating the list. Now run this. We updated the second item, index 1, from 36 to 99. Now the list looks like 21, 99, 14, and 25. This flexibility makes list very useful. What is a tuple? A tuple is like a list. It can store multiple values. But unlike list, tuples are immutable, meaning you cannot change their content once created. Now run this. Here we used round brackets to define the tuple. The output will be 21, 36, 14, and 25. We can access values, but we cannot modify them. Trying to modify a tuple. Let's try updating a tuple value. This will result in an error. Now run this. Python will raise a type error saying tuples do not support item assignment. This shows that tuples are read-only once defined. Tuples have limited methods, mainly count and index. Now run this. The count of 10 is 2. See here, 10 is 2 times. One 10 is here, another one is here. Okay. The value 30 appears at index 3. See here, 10 is 0, 20 is 1, 10 is 2, and 30 is 3. That's why index of 30 is 3. That's about it. no append, no remove, just simple lookup functions. What is a set? Now let's talk about sets. A set is a collection of unique values. It does not maintain order and removes duplicates automatically. Now run this. Even though we repeated 14 and 25, the set will only keep one of each. Output will be something like 25, 36 and 14. Remember, order is not guaranteed. Set limitations. Sets do not support indexing or slicing because they are unordered. Let's try accessing by index. Now run this. Python will raise a type error because sets don't support indexing. Sets allow you to add or remove items using methods like add, remove, or pop. Now run this. We added 99 and removed 14. See here, previously the set was 25, 14, 36, 14, 25. We added here 99, so 99 is here, and we removed 14, so 14 is gone. And now set becomes 25, 99 and 36. Sets are mutable. You can change them but cannot access by position. Lists are flexible and mutable. Tuples are fixed, great for safe, constant data. Sets are first and unique, great for membership test. If this explanation helped, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.